Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Ford Expedition Limited and I will show you how to remove and replace the glove box. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. Okay, so to start, first you'll have to remove 3 7mm screws just under the glove box. So you'll have one here, and one down here. So remove those screws. Okay, so once you have removed the screws, there is nothing else actually holding this glove box in place other than 2 tabs, one on each side. So once you unhook those tabs, the glove box will just pop down, so be careful. So first thing, you want to open the glove box. Now gently, you'll see there is a tab here. You just want to push this side of the glove box in, and you see here is the tab which is holding the glove box behind this plastic. You will do the same thing on the other side as well. See, just like that. So you're supposed to do this at the same time, but you see, that's it. And this will lower the glove box down and there is nothing else holding it here anymore. So you just want to, pretty much remove it. And this is how you can remove the glove box on Ford Expedition. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.